Today we are going to learn a new poem. The title of our poem is called Here Come the Construction Vehicles. This poem is sung to the tune of the wheels on the bus. And as we sing this poem, I want us to think about what are these construction vehicles building? Let's see if we can make a prediction or a guess as to what these construction vehicles are building. Here come the construction vehicles. Here comes the backhoe to dig up rocks, dig up rocks, dig up rocks. Here comes the backhoe to dig up rocks all around the ground. Here comes the bulldozer to push the dirt, push the dirt, push the dirt. Here comes the bulldozer to push the dirt all around the ground. Here comes the scraper to smooth the earth, smooth the earth, smooth the earth. Here comes the scraper to smooth the earth all around the ground. Here comes the dump truck to dump wood chips, dump wood chips, dump wood chips. Here comes the dump truck to dump wood chips all around the ground. Here come the workers to build a playground, build a playground, build a playground. Here come the workers to build a playground all around the town. So what did they build? They built a playground. Yeah, so fun.